Our buddies at Starbucks have come up with a they've come up with a pretty expensive item to accommodate their new line of drinks that they sell in grocery stores. They hooked up with a guy named Brandon Blackwood, who's a fancy designer. He designs, women's accessories, purses, wallets, that kind of stuff. And he's come up with these pretty fancy, I don't know if you could see them, these pretty fancy holders to carry their bottles. Now, these are prepackaged bottles of Starbucks pink drink and paradise drink that they sell in stores like Target or whatever. It's just a bottle of it's coconut milk and fruit juice and whatever. But these cases or these little bags are just to carry that. And they have a little pocket on the back. I don't know if can you see it on here? Oh, let's go back over here. They have a little pocket where you can carry your credit cards and stuff like that in there. But man, that's super pricey. I mean, I don't know how much this stuff is. Well, I'll tell you how much it is. Does it have it? $3.50 for a bottle. $3.50 for a bottle, and then $75 for a bag to carry it in. I don't know. Asking a lot. However, if you're into Starbucks and you like this kind of thing, knock yourself out. I just think it's funny. Just goes to show people buy anything. And if you've got fans, they will buy anything.